Hi, welcome to Applied Statistics for Spring 2020. My name is Nancy. I'm your instructor for this class, and this is going to be a really short video just to show you a couple of things that you need to know to get started with the class. First of all, here's our homepage on Blackboard. This is me right here in the sunglasses. Here's my contact information and office hours, and right here are links to the syllabus, the course schedule, and this video that you're watching right now. If you scroll down on this page, you'll see a couple of things. You'll see the Week 1 folder. That's going to have an overview of the course and of what you need to do for this week. And it will also have links to several of the things that you'll need for this week. The main thing I want to talk about to get you started is getting you signed up for Edpuzzle. This is just a website that has the course videos for the lecture recordings for this class. So before you do anything else, you need to get signed up for Edpuzzle and watch a longer video in there that has much more course information. So notice that there's a link for that right here, and there's also one on the left side of your course homepage right here. So either one of those two things will get you to Edpuzzle. Once you're at the Edpuzzle website, you can click on the Get Started button and then click on the I'm a Student button. And you can either sign in with Google or you can sign up just in Edpuzzle. And to do this, you need our class code, which is iVitella. So here's our class. And then here you just need to put in a name and then make up a username and a password. Once you've done that, then click on the Join Class button. Here's what you'll see once you have joined the class in Edpuzzle. So here is the first video that you'll need to watch for this class. And this one you'll see is due on January 15th. That's Wednesday of the first week of class. This is a video. It just has more information about the course, about some other things that you need to get started with. For example, my stat lab. So if you click on this video, you'll have the video. And notice over here on the side it says to do. These are 3 questions that you'll need to answer as you go through the video. And the way this is set up, it's set up so that you can't fast forward. But you can't just skip things and go on to the questions. This is really designed to force you to watch the entire video. So go through the video, answer the questions, and once you have done that, answered all the questions and gotten all the way to the end of the video, then it will show this as something that you've completed. But when you go to answer the questions, you only get one chance at each question. There's really no way to give you more attempts on the questions, so that's just the way it is. So try really hard to get the questions right. You can always, when you get to one of the questions, it has an option for you to go backwards in the video. You can go backwards, you just can't fast forward. But you can go backwards in the video and rewatch the part right before that to help you answer the questions. As far as your grades for these video assignments, as long as you get them done by the due date, then just watching the video is 70% of your grade. For example, the course info video assignment is worth 5 points. So if you get it done by the due date and watch the entire video, even if you miss all 3 of the questions, you'd still get 70% of the points. So that would be 3.5 points out of 5. Now the questions are the other 30% of the grade. So for this particular one, each question is going to be worth half a point. Now if you don't get the video assignments completed by the due date, you can do them up to 1 week late, but you'll only get half the credit. Now back to one more thing that you need to get done right away. This also talks about this in the course info video. If you click on the Week 1 folder, or if you look at the syllabus, it talks about getting registered in My Stat Lab. This is something that you also need to do right away. If you need help getting registered in My Stat Lab, this is in the Week 1 folder. This is just a handout that gives you some extra help in getting registered. That's all for this video. So to really get started, go ahead and go to Edpuzzle and get signed up and watch that course info video and that will help you get started with some of the other things in this course. I'm looking forward to seeing you on Tuesday if you can come to the live classroom session.